Why? You judge me before you know me, and I have a reason. I have a reason. I have a reason. Hi, what is up? I have no idea what is up. Hi. So, I don't know what is up. Like, when is this weather is outside, I'm like, always like this. And, oh, I'm tired. I plan to film another video, but I have no energy. So, and I need to film something. Even if I don't want to. Because this is my passion. Okay? You judge me before you know me, and I have a reason. I have a reason. Okay? Okay. Funny story. Funny story. So, I decided, because I have no clue what to film, so I decided I should sing, as always, because I'm a professional singer, and I know what to sing. I always sing a lot. And since TikTok is so freaking famous, I decided to, like, sing songs that are popular on TikTok. Shh. I know I'm to do, yeah. I know what to do, yeah. I could take command if I want to. Lucky for you, I don't want to. I could take command if I want to. Lucky for you, I don't want to. Um, Another thing that is really, like, close to my heart is this song. Okay, I should sing it because I'm running out of Am I filming? Okay, Jesus. Oh yeah. Mm. Oh yeah. On got the now. I still believe. I must confess. Still believe. Still believe. I'm not gonna know on my mind. Save me a sign. With me, baby, one more time. I have no internet connection. Another song is from Nicki Minaj. It's some first song, like background sound song. We can start. Swaka to one Settle for more. Oh, what got to last? What's the father left? How was that? How was the fuck about the Samantha? This song, like, this video has no way. Like, this video is a shit! Oh my god. When I started to film videos, my first video, when I started to film my first videos, I was like so pumped. I was so hyped. And now, it is not like that. Oh my fucking god. I'm not allowed to say that. Drop the mic. I'm Ariana Grande, but whatever, like, oh my god, like, I have chills. No, I'm not showing an Apple Watch, but I have chills. Because I used to be so good at it, but now I'm not. Like, I have no energy nowadays. Like, I'm not feel the way I used to feel. I can't describe because I forgot. Yeah. Oh my god, I used to be so happy when I was filming, and I was so happy that the way I started my YouTube channel, I was so happy. And now I have like so much like pressure. I do feel the pressure, and it's so tiring, and it's so annoying, and it's so, oh my god, I can't describe that feeling, but it's so overwhelming when you're like trying and nothing is happening. Oh my god. I just wanted to clear off some things. I try to film a video with Billie Eilish, but she doesn't come here. She has other stuff to do, other things to do. So she's like, no, I'm not coming. And I was like, why? By the way, since I cut my, by the way, since I shaved my head, we're growing, as you can see. Virgin hair are popping up, my virgin hair, and I should sing another song. Like, I'm not in the mood to sing, not even a bit. Wow. Some world we live in. Oh my god, bitch. I'm so like, I don't do drugs. So, what should I sing? Okay. I tried this. Oh, I don't even know if I wanna upload this video. I have no clue. Okay, I'm fill it anyway. As I'm a professional singer. You guys are gonna drop me in the comment section down below. Probably not, because oh my god, you guys, probably you're gonna drag me in the comment section down below. Probably not, because I don't have any followers. Like, I do have 199 followers, close to 200. Yeah. I must confess, still believe. Oh wait, paparazzi, mamaleo, mamareo. Want a big cafe de premaro. No one's gonna watch this. No one's gonna watch it. No one's going to watch it. This video. Oh, shoot. Too annoying. Yeah. By the way, as you can see, I went through the right thing 2 weeks ago. It was, yeah, 2 weeks ago. I'm not allowed to say this, but I do. So, I bought this jacket, also this sweater, and I love it. I love the combination between these two. Oh, mic. Drop the mic. So, I should sing something. Some TikTok famous. Yeah. Don't you say so? Didn't even notice your punches are so rolled. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so? Yeah, love it.
Underrated photographer check.
Who's gonna watch this? Like, literally no one. Noah? Is that a... Okay, you guys gonna think I'm crazy. Let it go on the border with your body, wanna used to know. What's wrong? Like, I feel sad. I try to scream. And I'm sad. I got everything I wanted. I had a dream. I can't sing. And I just like gonna start it. I don't wanna. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I prepare when I. Okay, I used to take like singing classes, and this is the way how I prepared my voice. Okay, I'm filming. So I'm gonna show you how I used to prepare my voice, my throat before I started singing. Before I started singing, I used to take singing classes. So breathe in. Breathe into your stomach, into your belly. Hold your belly. Breathe into your belly. Hold your belly. Hold your belly. Oh! No. Again, because I breathe in, and I'm not allowed to do that. Okay, again, breathe in. Hold your belly. Your belly must be like hard. It has to be hard. Like, you get a point. You feel me? You get the idea. You get the idea. You get a point. What am I talking about? Okay. So, another thing is when you want to like literally sing, like you want to be like professional. Okay. Another thing is like no, but you have to work with your belly and with your throat, but you can't sing here. You can't surround. You can't collect your sing here. No, whatever. So you have to breathe into your belly. That's so important. And you need to feel you're singing here. You need to hear your voice right here, not here, but here and in your belly. So breathe in. No 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 no. That's lame. Again. Oh. Breathe in. Into your belly. I forgot. Technique. Oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm scared, and I do feel I'm annoying, and I'm ashamed. I feel awkward. But whatever, this is my channel, and get off. There's a door over there. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. that's it. Oh, can you hear? And oh my god, I can sing better. But another one. Hi, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm sorry. Can you hear that? I'm better. I'm sorry, sorry. That was harsh. So, I would try to scream. I feel like a professional, but I'm not. I try to scream. I got everything I wanted. They call me weird. And I was somebody's daughter, and I wanna say, and so I just say, and I to feel so my shy, so my head now for my eye. I try to scream, mm, 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 white shirt, I'm on the one that knows it move. I have to burp so hard. Like sure, I'm on me to knows the criminal. You a tough guy, walking in a soft guy, when I'm on a soft lie, when I'm on a soft lie, I'm on a bad time, when no one. That's. You want a bad time, but you want a sad time. I don't want a good time, don't want a sad time. I'm a bad guy. Duh. This video, oh my god, don't even get me started. I promise, I don't do drugs, but I'm like unsuccessful YouTuber, unsuccessful YouTuber. I was about to say YouTuber because YouTuber. I'm unsuccessful YouTuber. Yeah, that was for today's video. I tried to scream and I tried to sing. Yeah. Sorry for you guys. I'm not this crazy all the time. So, yeah. I tried to scream, but no one heard me yet. I'm using this platform to raise my voice, to show you guys to be yourself. Just be yourself. No? Am I recording? Oh, 20, okay, 2020, 2121, spirit number. No, angel number. What am I talking about? You don't care. So yeah, that was it. I don't know if I'm gonna edit this video. I don't know if I'm gonna edit this. I don't have a clue if I'm gonna edit this video because it's 21 minutes. Why would I do that? Why would I do that? I don't want to edit this. I'm gonna edit this a little bit, but I'm gonna edit this like. Okay. I'm not gonna get views on this video anyway, because it's boring and it's not entertaining at all. Yeah. Thank you for staying. Thanks for the stay. Thank you for your stay. I'm not American. Like, I'm not American and I... Okay, one more thing. I used to hide something. Bitch, I'm not American. I used to pretend I am. Now I can say I'm happy and I'm proud where I'm from. And I'm not American. Wish I was American. But I'm not. Except the fact I am not American. In my camera will die soon, so I should shut up. Oh my god. I was touching the mic. Okay, again. I'm not American, you guys. I'm not American, and I still pretend I am American, and I'm not proud of it. But all I can say, I'm proud where I'm from. I'm proud of my country, and I'm proud of my nationality. Am I? Yeah. Wish I was American. Wish I was. But I'm not. And my English isn't that good as it should be, but I'm trying, okay? So, thank you for your time. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your comments. Yeah, comments. Thanks for your comments. And yeah, thanks for everything. Thank you for 199 subscribers. Thank you for each of you. Yeah. So before I end this video, I just want to clear some things out of the table. It doesn't make any sense. What? It doesn't make any sense. Like what? Okay, I'm gonna end this video right here. Bye. And don't do drugs. No. Bitch, I'm scared. How's this gonna turn out?